Good evening. My name is Abhishek Sunil Kure. Today's date is 26 February 2024, and today's topic is method overloading in Java. Basically, the method overloading is the part of object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language is the most important part in Java. In method overloading, we can achieve by inheritance. Basically, what is the inheritance? Inheritance is the process that uh, we can perform. We can inherit all details of parent class in child class. It is a known as a method. It is known as a inheritance. Basically, in inheritance, we can achieve method overriding, but method overloading is a different process. In method overloading, there is a same name as a method name, same name, but there is a different parameter of different methods. So that is known as a method overloading. In method overloading, known as a compile time polymorphism, static binding, and earlier binding. This is a basically polymorphism technique that we can perform multiple tasks in different ways. In single unit, we can perform multiple tasks. This is known as a method overloading. In example, the method loading example is a we can in example, if you create a two method, if you create a one class product, then we can create public static int method name. Then if in argument you can pass int a and int b, then return a plus b. Then second method is a public static int method name, and in parameter we can pass int a, int b, int c. Then return a plus b plus c. This is a second method. Then we can create an object of that method. This is known as this is a example of method overloading. In this example, we can create two methods, but the argument in first method we can use two argument. In second method we can use three arguments. So this is a example of method overloading. First example, if you create a two methods, and if you use two argument, so that time we can got a compile time error, because the overloading syntax is we can create a different we can use the same name but different parameters. So otherwise, second example is if you create a two methods, if you use two arguments, but there is a second option is we can use different data type. So we can also achieve a method overloading. And in Java, why method loading is used? Because the code reusability, we can use same code but different parameters, then code reliability, then flexibility. So that's why we can use method overloading in Java. And in through method overloading, we can achieve compile time polymorphism. So we can perform tasks in fastly. So this is the basically main advantages of method overloading. Then overloading, we can achieve a readability, then reusability. So this is the benefit of method overloading. Then basically in method overloading, the second part, it's a method overriding also. So this is the both part in method overloading and method overriding. In this topic, I will explain you only the method overloading. Thank you.